Alright everybody, welcome to KwhOnlyEv channel. This is Benga. Today I will be conducting a OTA software update for my 2024 Kia EV9. Today is November the 26th, 2 days before Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving in advance to everybody. Hope you have a safe trip and a memorable moment with your family and loved ones. I will be doing this update. I got this yesterday, so I'm not going to take a whole lot of time. I'm just going to find out. We are both all going to find out together which software update this is, because yesterday when I saw the message popped up, I clicked the later option so that I can do that for you guys to observe and see. So if you want to know about some of the other updates that I have, you can check I have a playlist for my software updates, so go ahead and check that out. And if you're a first time viewer this channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And also feel free to drop a comment as well. I really appreciate your comment, guys. Also, don't forget to check out my other channel, KwhOnlyEv Motorcycles channel, the motorcycle channel, YouTube channel for my Livewire S2, my motorcycle. So subscribe to that channel, like the videos as well. With all that being said, let's go ahead and see what we have for this update. All right, welcome back. As soon as I switch the vehicle on, and this pops up, the message pops off again this time. So let's see the detail of this software update. So this update is going to take about 10 minutes, and the software, this is an infotainment system software update, and the software version is MV1.USA.lowcapcc NC.001.002.241024. So I believe this was released October 24th of this year, which was last month. I guess I just didn't have the time to take. Well, it just popped off from my car. So, and one of the update is for a new service has been added. Check the results for various sports and sporting events. Select sports app on the vehicles home screen. Connected service activated is required. Might be the basketball stuff. And number two is navigation has been improved to be more convenient to use. We have added a feature that suggests saving places like home and work. That's already there. When you arrive at a frequently visited location, you will be asked if you want to save the place as home or work. To save the location as home or work, press yes. If you don't wish to see the suggestion for location, again, select no. And number three, the last one, is the new features. New features have been added to voice recognition. Now you can easily add stops using voice recognition. To add a stop to your route, say add whatever you need to do and as a stop. So I will be trying that out, but not today. So just want to show you guys what this update is about. So let me go ahead and start the process, and I will let the software download continue. So I'll be back when this completed, the download has completed. All right, welcome back. So it didn't even take that long at all. So let's go ahead and click on the details again and see. So this navigation was installed today. And so let's see here. I believe it's almost the same situation, the same, like the recent update that I had. Let me go back. Something to do with SoundCloud. Let's go back. All right. So yeah, something with SoundCloud, and I believe in the previous update there was something similar to that. And the navigation, EV charging station are not easier to. Yeah, it was similar to the previous update. let's see here, cluster, and I believe that's still the same software update for the cluster, but this one was navigation. So I don't know, maybe there has been a new update on the, maybe they added a CCS, I mean, what do you call it, NACS location, just Tesla, what do they call it, Tesla supercharger into their navigation. So um, let me try that. Let's see if it might work. Let's see here. All right, welcome back. So I was looking at the filter for the charging option, and nothing has updated yet. Nothing for Tesla or NACS. I'm assuming that's probably due to probably end of the year or beginning of next year when they get an agreement with Tesla, I guess, when they will start releasing the NACS vehicles for 2025. So right now, it's still showing the same thing when I put in the navigation. Um, it predicted where I could stop and charge. So, uh, so sports. Okay, so they added more now. Okay, not only, so there's nothing was related to football, just soccer. Uh, let's see here. Yeah, 0 out of 20, but they only have what, 5 options, and basketball off season. So I don't know what they're doing, but this is not anything of importance at all. Weather, okay, weather is still there. Um, I don't know, nothing else. So let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, let me know in the comment section if you got this update on your EV9, and I don't know any different. I don't see any difference in this update. If you have the same update, let me know whether you got something different. Whatever the update is, it might just be some fixes. That's probably what it is. So let me know in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching. I will post some more videos like this, so stay tuned for that. And I got more video coming up, so they will be popping up here and there. So please bear with me. Just a lot of stuff that I've been taking care of, work, family, and all that stuff. So, but thank you for watching, guys. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.